I'm going to do a kind of a quick walkthrough of all the specs on this scooter. Then I'll show you some of the features. Then we'll put it to a real world ride test out on the trail. And I'll give you my final thoughts of what I thought about this thing and see if this might be something that's good for you, because right now it's been great for me. So let's get into the specs now. Okay, so we'll start back here with this motor. So this is an 800 watt peak motor. It's a little small hub driven motor from the rear here. And I feel that it gives me a good amount of torque and a good amount of range, and top speed on this can go up to 20 miles per hour as far as top speed on this. The battery and their claimed range is around about 20 to 25 miles as far as overall range. And obviously that depends on how hard you're pushing, if you're in mode 1, 2, 3 or whatever. And total weight capacity on it's 265 pounds. These are 10-inch pneumatic tires, both front and back. It's got a little drum brake in the front, electronic brake in the back. Now these are dual brakes, so when you hit this, it hits both brakes at the same time. And in the back, this is a brake light and also a tail light. It's got a small little spring shock in the front, so it does have a slight shock absorber. No shock absorber in the back. This is a foldable scooter. You can fold it down and you can carry it pretty easy. You suitcase carry this thing, very easy to do. Now when I got this thing in, the only thing I had to do to it is put the head stem on right here. The handlebars, all you do is screw in these 6 bolts right here. It was very nicely packed. This thing was 98% assembled right out of the box, so you really don't have any assembly on this thing at all. You got a thumb throttle right here. This is for my helmet, so that doesn't come with it. This is for hooking onto when you fold it up, when you hook it down. You've got an integrated bell. Seems to work just fine. Pretty much it as far as the overall walkthrough. Let me go over this display for you. So to turn this thing on, by the way, you do have an app with this thing. I don't know how well you can see it. It's not flashing, but the camera speed makes it look like it's flashing. There is cruise control on this thing. You've got speeds on 1, double tap it. You guys see that? Double tap, I'm in walk mode. Double tap, I'm in 1, 2, and 3. To turn the headlight on, it's a single push. You can see right here, and the tail light. So both the headlight and tail light are turned on right there. You can adjust this to where it's like kick to start, or it's like no kick to start. That's how I like it. You just pretty much hit that and you go. Let's go ahead, let's get this thing out on the trail, and then I'll let you guys know how this thing's ride. We'll do a top speed on it, and we'll do a pull test on it up this hill, and we'll see how well it goes. So let's get to it. Okay, let's go ahead, let's put this thing to the ride test. As far as off-roading with it, you can't do a lot of off-roading, but it goes over these routes and stuff pretty easy. I don't see any issues with it going over stuff like this. Obviously, you don't want to like hit a lot, but these pneumatic tires work great for pretty much getting around this. Now, if it's too much of a steep incline, I give it a little kick with my foot. Y'all see that? And then take off. So we'll go this way. Let's see how fast we can get it going down this hill. Let me show you the app. So the app feature has a lock on it. So check that out. Now the scooter is locked. Watch this. You cannot use it right now. It's completely locked out. Hold this down. I actually like this app a lot. So it's locking, unlock. You can see that it's Bluetooth, it's connected there. I'm at 72%, we are connected. Now I can turn on the cruise control. The cruise control I can turn off and on. The 0 to start, remember I was saying that you can kick to start or you can 0 to start. The headlight, you can actually turn the headlight on and off from the app. Scroll down, level 4. So I've got it on level 4. You can turn it down or up on different modes. Let's go to miles per hour. We were on kilometers per hour. We are officially on miles per hour. But there's everything on the app, like I said, and it also tracks, I'm not going to show my location, but it has the odometer and it also has a GPS and it shows your location of where you're at. Pretty good little app. Now let's go ahead, let's take it to top speed. So we are in 1. Let's go walking mode. So with walking mode, I mean, it's slow, maybe 1, 2 miles per hour in walking mode, just like that. Double tap it. We're on 10, double tap it again. Let's go to 2. I am wide open. It will go into cruise control. Watch this. After so long, it will go to cruise control. We're at 15 miles per hour. Is it in cruise yet? So in 2, top speed looks to between 13 and 15. Now it's in cruise, everybody. Check it out. I'm not gonna let go of the handlebars too much, but I'm not giving it any throttle. That worked out perfect. Let's go to, now see, now if you want cruise off, watch. There you go, cruise is off. Now let's go to 3. We are in mode 3. Let's see how fast we can get it to. So top speed, I can kind of bunny hop it. We're at 17. We're in cruise right now. 18, squat down a little bit more. 19, I hit 19. Top speed, they're saying is around about 20 to 22. We're in cruise right now at 19, 18 miles per hour. I don't know how well you can see that. Very comfortable on the riding. The handlebars are a little small, so you want to hold on to them, but those pneumatic tires work great. Let's do a brake test right now. Lean back when you hit these brakes. There you go. It's kind of an anti-lock braking system on it. Final thoughts here on this OBX scooter. I think it's a great scooter for what it is and how affordable it is and the features you get with it. You get an app, you get 3 modes of speed, actually 4 modes of speed with the walk mode. This would be a great scooter for someone just kind of zipping around a parking lot, getting maybe back and forth to work if you had to walk a long ways, or a college student, and the ability to break it down, put it inside of a dorm, back of a trunk of a car or something like that, take it pretty much anywhere and get around about 20 miles of range on it and hit 20 miles per hour. I think it's a great option for pretty much anybody that's looking for an affordable scooter like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the OBX small little scooter. See y'all in the next video.